Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I'm studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. Today, I'm going to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 11th June 2021. So, the two topics that were given on today's editorial page were seeds and fruits, terror in the Sahel. Today, we'll discuss the first topic, that was seeds and fruits. Instead, see the second topic, the terror in the Sahel. The global powers should not stay away from the growing threat posed by Islamists in Africa. See, in the headline it says there is a terror in the Sahel, means that it's similar to the terrorisms and terrorists. Okay, means the global powers, means the cause which causes the threat to the Islamists which were living in the Africa. Okay, so let's go into our today's topic, seeds and fruits. A mechanism for CMs to cooperate on issues of center-state relations is welcome. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's call for cooperation among non-NDA counterparts in the other states to support farmers, agitating against three controversial laws made in June 2020, seems part of a larger political project. Okay, see, means the mechanism that was done, means the mechanism is a situation or the cause for CM's cooperation is for the center states and the relations that were welcome to us. And the West Bengal Chief Minister, the Mamata Banerjee's demand for the cooperation that was among the non-NDA parties and the parts in other states for the farmers, which is against the three controversial laws and which was made in the June 2020, and it seems to be a part of the political project. Means the agricultural land is apart from the political project. So it is meant to go beyond aiding the farmers who fear that these laws could make them more vulnerable to market fluctuations. Okay, but the focus on farm laws, which the government sees would make farming more competitive and remunerative, is an important. Okay, means the farmers who fear for these laws and who could not make them more vulnerable, means more important to the marketing, but they can focus on the farm laws. Okay, who cannot fight with them, they can focus on the market laws, means farm laws, and they can, and which the government also says that they would make farming which is more competitive. Okay, and this farming is also important for us. While the government reiterated this week that MSP for various crops would continue, the fact remains that regardless of the merits of these laws, they were made without adequate consultations with parties, states, and the stakeholders. Okay, means the government in this week, the government said that the MSP for different crops would continue, and the facts about the regardless and these law and the farm laws they would make without any consultations with the parties, and the states also will take some holding in their hands. After a meeting with farmer leaders from Uttar Pradesh, Ms. Banerjee said she accepted their request to speak to other chief ministers who are not in the NDA, while reiterating her demand to repeal the three laws. She has proposed a virtual conference of CMs with the farmers and a joint letter to the center on the issue. Many CMs are likely to agree with her despite political rivalries among them. Okay, see, so they has held a meeting about this farmership laws and the consultations that they will have to be taken. And after this meeting with the farmer leaders from the Uttar Pradesh, so Miss Banerjee said that she has accepted for the request that she accepted for the chief ministers and who are not in the NDA. Okay, and she also kept her demand to repeal for the 3 laws that she has proposed a conference of CMs with the farmers, conference meeting with CM with the farmers, and she also published a joint letter from the center on this issue. And many CMs also agree with her, and they also has the political rivalries with among her. Okay, so at least 2 other CMs who were elected along with her in the recent assembly elections shared her position on the farm laws. Kerala's Pinarayi Vijayan and Tamil Nadu's MK Stalin. In Kerala, the previous assembly had in December 2020 passed a unanimous resolution seeking the repeal of these laws. See, so coming to here, at least 2 CMs, from Kerala and Tamil Nadu CM and Kerala CM, they both were elected along with her, and they also said about the recent assembly elections that has to be shared with the position on the farm laws. They are Kerala's Pinarayi Vijayan and Tamil Nadu's MK Stalin. These 2 CMs has to be they both has been elected. Okay, and in Kerala, the previous assembly that was held on December 2020, and they has passed a various resolution for these laws. Okay, and that said, all non-NDA CMs not be willing to be a part of a joint platform because of their individual calculations and expediency and the fear of retribution by the center. Okay, see, retribution means to punish, okay, or the punishment that was to be taken. Delhi's Arvind Kejriwal, for instance, had sought the support of other CMs against unilateral actions by the center that curtailed the powers of his government. Ms. Banerjee had vociferously supported him, but Mr. Kejriwal was not reciprocative when she raised concerns of overreach by the center. The recent joint efforts by some CMs to persuade the center to withdraw its previous vaccination policy did not get wholehearted support from others. The CMs of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, Naveen Patnaik and YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, have sought to keep the center in good humor. Nevertheless, the joint efforts by CMs did lead to a change in the vaccination policy. Just joint strategy on farm laws could be more difficult as their impact is uneven across the states. Okay, means the non-NDA, means the people who are not in the NDA, they have the CMs and they were not willing to be a part of this joint platform because their individual calculations and their expenditures, and they have the fear of and they have a fear that they may be punished by the central. Okay, so the Delhi CM, so Arvind Kejriwal, he sought out the support of other CMs against the actions by the center, and he made the powers for his government. So Ms. Banerjee, she had vociferously, means she has spoken out and supported him. But Mr. Kejriwal, he was not, even when she raised concerns of overreaching by the center, means to reach the center. So the recent joint efforts by some CMs to persuade the center to withdraw its previous vaccination policy has not even supported from the others. The CMs of two states, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. So who is our Odisha CM? Naveen Patnaik, and Andhra Pradesh YS Jagan Mohan Reddy. So they both have sought to keep a center with a good humor, means with good helpliness and everything. But the two joint efforts of these two CMs had led to a change in the vaccination policy, means in the vaccination process. And this joint strategy on the farming laws, and they could be more difficult, and on their impact it is across many states. But a broader point raised by Ms. Banerjee about the center's tendency to ignore the states while formulating policy is salient. She has also called for a continuing mechanism for CMs to cooperate on issues of center states and relations. Turning this into a combative platform could do more harm than good. But this is a suggestion worth pursuing. Cooperative federalism, a concept that Prime Minister Narendra Modi advocates, can be pursued more meaningfully through continuous and harmonious communication CMs. A conversation on farm laws could be a good beginning. Okay, so this center's tendency is of formulating policy, and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he also gave some advocates for the meaningful, continuous, and in this communications of the CMs, and this conversation of upon the farm laws could be the good beginning for everyone. Okay, so this is our today's topic. Thank you.